action.
Hi, my name is Lana, and I'll be playing the part as Lana.
Hey guys, my name is Julia, and I'll be playing Julia. Oh my god, Lana, I have to talk to you right now.
Oh my god, Julia, what?
Oh my gosh. Oh, hey Julia. Hey Julia. Lana, you know this project that we have to do?
Yeah, this huge project?
Yeah, what are we gonna do? I can't think of anything.
I don't know, me neither. Let's sleep on it.
Good idea.
I do it.
Lana! Julia! Hey, Julia! Look at the view.
No. Oh my gosh. Lana, I got it.
What?
Let's do Alaska.
Oh my god, Julia, that's brilliant.
Girls, stop talking.
Oh my god. Mom, should we do it today?
Tomorrow, yeah.
Tomorrow, let's leave tomorrow and come back Saturday.
Good plan.
And there's only one night. We'll allow. That's
expensive.
pretty expensive.
But honestly, it's worth
It's worth it. It's totally worth it.
We can do
We can do this, Lana. Alaska on 3. 1, 2, 3. Alaska. Hey, it's just me and Lana.
Hey, how's it going?
We're out here.
Yeah,
we're about
on
to
our
go to
way to-
Anchorage.
Yeah.
We're really excited. Our plane leaves in 2 hours.
This is the airport
We're
that
at
we're
the
in now.
We're in Alaska. What? Oh my gosh. Whoa, I can't believe we made it to Alaska. That was a rough 3-hour drive. I'm so excited to go hiking and see all the wildlife and biodiversity.
I know, we have 6 million acres to see and 20,310 feet to climb.
20,310 feet? Are you serious?
Yes! Denali is almost as tall as Mount Everest. It's the tallest mountain in North America.
Whoa. Okay, well, we better get a move on. It's starting to get cold. Brrr.
Yeah, we're in the taiga biome, where the winters are long and cold.
Taiga biome? Isn't Denali 2 different biomes?
Yeah, it's the taiga and the tundra biomes. This means that Alaska has a range of different and unique qualities.
The taiga biome is the largest ecosystem on Earth. It has winters that are long and cold. When it rains in the summer, but it's too short for a growing period for farming. That's why the Alaskans fish. Most of the wildlife in the taiga are herbivores, like the hare and the ground squirrel, which are keystone species. It also has the tundra biome, which means that only a few trees grow, but it has tons of grassland, and the tundra actually covers 1/5 of the Earth's land surface. This biome has little rain or snowfall. It has brief Arctic summers, and there's a lot of permafrost. Do you know what permafrost is, Lana?
No.
Well, permafrost is a thick layer of soil that remains frozen all year. Who would have known? Not Lana,
That's
obviously.
so cool.
Yeah.
I just learned something new. I heard that the Arctic tundra biome can get down to negative 44 degrees in the winter
Lana, that's so cold.
and 75 in the summer.
That's so hot, Lana. Whoa. That's right. It gets super cold in Alaska. Luckily, it's only 33 degrees right now, Lana. Let's look at the map and see where we should start. There's so many trails we can choose from, ranging from 10 hours to 5 hours.
That's crazy.
I know, Lana. So, we should choose wisely. Let's go on the Rocky Creek Trail because I feel like we'll be able to see so many biotic and abiotic factors.
Wait, Julia, what are abiotic and biotic factors?
Let me tell you, Lana. Abiotic is non-living and biotic is living. So the cold environmental temperature is an abiotic factor. But a moose is a biotic factor.
Oh, cool. So that plant over there?
You mean that one?
That plant over there? They're everywhere. They're there. They're here. What kind of plant is that?
That there is an Arctic lupine.
So it would be abiotic.
No, Lana. Plants have feelings. And they're alive. So it's biotic.
Oh. So the rocks and soil, that would be abiotic.
Yes, Lana.
And that red fox
Over
is
there.
biotic.
Perfect. Very good. Another abiotic factor is geology. And especially Alaska is the most geological place in North America. This is because of how active the tectonic plates are. That's why Denali is so tall and why there are so many earthquakes here. Approximately 600 seismic events occur each year.
That's so cool. Oh boy.
Oh boy!
I think I feel one coming on. Oh, okay, that was not bad.
Whoa, whoa. That was like a 2.1 magnitude.
Yeah, probably. So what's all that white stuff?
Lana, that white stuff are the glaciers. It covers 16% of this whole national park.
Let's go sledding!
Yeah, Lana, maybe after we find some food first. So Lana, why do I care about Denali?
Well, Julia, that's a great question. I did some looking into this.
Wow.
Yes, Denali is a beautiful national park
Yeah.
that is celebrating its 100th anniversary this year. And on the eve of their anniversary, which was before now, they changed the name of what is now Denali from McKinley,
Mount McKinley.
Mount McKinley, to Denali.
Wait,
And
why was it named Mount McKinley?
because of one of the first presidents.
Oh yeah, Mr. McKinley.
On June 7th in 1913, 4 men summited the peak
Of
Denali.
Denali.
of Denali, and they were the first ones to ever do that.
That's crazy 8.
They made history, dude.
Ah, Lana, what did I just step on?
Julia, let me check my handy-dandy plant guidebook.
You brought your handy-dandy plant guidebook to
Of course
Denali?
I did.
Dude, Lana, you're always thinking. This is why we work
Exactly.
together on projects.
That is the Escholtz Buttercup.
The Escholtz Buttercup.
Yes.
I can't believe I just stepped on it.
I know, it has the largest flower of North American plant species.
That's crazy.
Roar.
Oh my god, Lana, what is that?
Roar.
Oh my god! Lana, what is that? I don't know! I think I can identify the sound of the animal. I believe that sound belongs to a grizzly bear.
A grizzly bear?
Yeah, they're one of the top predators here in Denali, along with owls.
Woo!
There's one now! They're everywhere!
Shoot, well, we better get a move on. I hope he's not looking at us for lunch.
Oh, jeez. Well, Lana, grizzly bears don't actually eat humans. They eat animals like hares, moose, caribous, voles, squirrels, and more.
Oh, so bears eat mainly secondary consumer animals.
Yes, Lana, and you can't forget about those producers. Actually, the only animal that doesn't have a predator in Denali is the porcupine. They just eat like the Arctic lupine, northern blackcurrant, and Quaker aspen, like Quaker oats.
Porcupines. Wow, look at that tree. It's beautiful.
That tree is very beautiful. What kind of-
Let me check the book to identify it.
Yeah, go get the book.
Found the book.
What is that?
That is the balsam poplar.
Those trees serve as food for the moose, hares, and porcupines as well.
Wow. So what happens when these animals die? Do their dead bodies just freeze in the cold?
Lana, that's ridiculous. There are organisms called decomposers that feed off bodies for food, and in return, they clear up the ground and deliver nutrients back to the soil to help the other plants. And then, this whole cycle keeps going on and on and on.
Well, that's like the circle of life, man. What are some of the decomposers in Tenali?
That's a great question, Lana. There are hedgehog mushrooms, not mushroom-shaped hedgehogs, Protistobuxia, also known as the green algae.
Man, that's a lot of organisms to be living in one national park. Can you explain all that to me one more time?
Lana, don't you remember that one time in class where we learned about the food webs? So what's a food web, Lana?
Well, Julia, a food web is a diagram that will describe all the organisms in an ecosystem, and it shows who eats who. So, let's begin. The very bottom is all the producers.
What does that mean?
All the producers are the organisms that make their own energy.
Like a plant, because they
Yes.
photosynthesize.
Exactly.
What are you drawing, Lana?
I'm drawing the
Arctic lupine?
Arctic lupine, exactly.
You know what I'm going to draw?
What are you going to draw, Julia?
I'm going to draw the Eschscholtz buttercup.
Just do EB. Let's just keep it nice. Yeah.
So, yeah. And then what else are you going to draw? How about the northern
gonna-
blackcurrant?
I'm going to draw the northern black.
And I'll draw the Cascade Mountain Ash.
I'll draw the
Balsam poplar.
balsam poplar.
Okay, cool, because I'm going to do the quaking aspen. You should do the squash berry, and I'll do the torport berry. So what do the producers do?
So they make their own energy, and there's a lot of them because they have to provide all this energy for the rest of the organisms in the ecosystem. The organisms who eat the producers are the primary consumers. So a primary consumer is a vole.
A vole.
A vole.
A vole. Oh, Lana, did you know another one is a caribou?
Whoa. That's not how you spell it.
And a moose.
You spell it.
A moose. Oh, and a ground squirrel.
And a porcupine.
Oh, can't forget the porcupines.
These are the primary consumers. But in order to show who eats who, you draw the arrow pointing towards the organism that
Oh, that
eats.
gets the energy.
Exactly, because the energy is being transferred to these guys now.
So then, what eats these guys?
So
What's the P?
that's a
Porcupine.
porcupine. The organisms who eat these guys are they're considered secondary consumers.
Oh, because they're the
They're the
they're
second
not,
ones.
because they don't directly eat the plant.
Exactly. They're the
So that's why
second
it's
ones.
secondary.
They're the second ones to eat
The plant.
the energy of the plants.
Sorry,
Through these
sorry.
guys. And we got a wolf.
Oh, and a coyote, and the red fox. So Lana, where does the grizzly bear come in?
So grizzly bears are, you can either call them tertiary consumers or the top predators in the ecosystem. Another tertiary consumer or top predator is the owl. They basically eat all
Oh, and then the arrows go up to them too.
yeah. This is our food web.
Yeah.
For
Denali.
for
Alaska.
Denali, the national park.
So Lana, what the
So-
heck is a vole?
A
thought
vole?
I thought it was pronounced mole.
That's not a vole. A mole is its own animal.
A
vole.
toenail.
Nope. A vole is a small rodent. It is a relative of the mouse, and it has a stouter body, a shorter, hairier tail, and a slightly rounder head. It has smaller ears and eyes, and has differently formed molars, which are teeth.
Volers.
There are approximately 155 species of voles.
Now tell me about the gray wolf.
Well, the gray wolf, also known as the timber wolf or western wolf, is a canine native to the wilderness and remote areas of Eurasia and North America. Owls are birds from the order Strigiformes, which includes about 200 species of mostly solitary and nocturnal birds of prey, typified by an upright stance, a large broad head.
Oh, and they can move their neck.
Yes, exactly. Yeah. They also have binocular vision, binaural hearing, sharp talons, and feathers adapted for silent flight, which helps
Oh,
when
like
they
a
are
Prius. Yeah, you can't hear Prius.
Yeah, just like a Prius.
Like a Prius. Thank you, Lana, for this awesome class time discussion. Take a bow.
So Julia, another type of diagram that can relate to the ecosystem is a food pyramid, and there are different types of food pyramids. And specifically today, we are talking about a biomass food pyramid.
What the heck is a biomass?
Biomass is basically the total amount of weight of each living organism. So, and they divide it into this different groups.
So do you put them on a scale and weigh them?
Not exactly. You just estimate because
Oh.
there's so many. So
Yeah, there's a lot.
what's going to have the most biomass in the ecosystem is
Elephants.
Nope.
Grizzly bears.
No.
Caribou.
Since there are so many producers in an ecosystem that need to deliver all this energy, there has to be more of them than anybody
Oh, so
else.
like the Escholtz buttercup
Exactly.
and the Arctic lupine.
The producers are on the bottom because they have the most amount of biomass. Then, who's this one on
The
top?
consumers, the primary consumers.
Very good. Who's on top of that?
Secondary consumers.
Yes!
Yeah.
Secondary.
Secondary.
So who's on top now? The tertiary
Grizzly
consumer.
bear.
Yes, so top predators. This is our biomass food pyramid.
We don't know exactly how much they weigh, but this is a close estimate.
Oh, I remember now. So doesn't it get crowded with all these organisms though?
As a matter of fact, Lana, yes it does. But there's something called a limiting factor that monitors the population of organisms.
Oh right, I've heard of limiting factors. There's density dependent and density independent.
Exactly, Lana.
Some density dependent factors are things like competition, predation, disease, parasitism, crowding, and stress. Then density independent factors are natural disasters, human impacts, and extreme temperatures which do not relate to the population size.
Look at you, Lana. You know so much about limiting factors.
I had an awesome AP Bio class.
Yeah, me too, with Miss Mastro. Because she gave us an A on the project
Yeah.
that we did for AP Bio. Lana, you forgot about one other factor that regulates animal populations. There's something called a predator-prey relationship. For example, the hare and the wolf. They have a predator-prey relationship.
Oh, does the grizzly bear and the squirrel have the same relationship?
Yeah, and the way that the relationship works is that when there's a lot of hares or squirrels, the population of their predators will increase. Then it will increase a lot to the point where the prey numbers start to decline, and eventually the predator numbers start to decline too.
Wow, that's like a roller coaster reaction.
I feel like I'm at Six Flags.
That also reminds me of the predation and how that controls populations, since predation is the act of predators going after their prey like what you just described. The prey have to find ways to stay hidden or use defense mechanisms against their predators. For example, eagles' nests are susceptible to predation, so they adapted to keeping their nests near cliffs, which is hard for the predators to get to.
That is so cool, Lana.
Hey Julia, do you know if there are any endangered species in Denali?
Why, Lana? Yes, I do. Actually, Denali currently does not have any endangered species, but the peregrine falcon was on the endangered species list, but it's now removed because the population stabilized.
Hey, look at this one little patch of green growing out of all of this dark bare ground.
That's crazy. What is that?
This, I believe, is the start of succession. Succession is the long process of colonization of new sites by communities of organisms. Primary succession is when life appears in barren areas. For example, since there are a lot of glaciers in Denali, some of them melt away and expose bare rock.
What?
Then organisms like lichen and small plants begin to grow and pave the way for the development of a new ecosystem. Then secondary succession is when a previous community was lost and there still remains some soil. So for example, when a forest has a forest fire.
Oh. That's such an amazing process. Succession probably takes hundreds of years.
It does indeed. That's why it's important that humans don't intervene in too damaging of a way, otherwise it could take a lot longer or not happen at all.
Humans have a large impact with the national park and Denali in general. Alaska is currently having a huge problem with pollution from all the wood burning. The pollution from humans is indirectly hurting the organisms. The pollution contributes to more acidic rain, which is the introduction of sulfur to water vapors that create sulfuric acid. Oh no! In turn, this rain damages the plants by going into the soil and harming the roots of many producers.
That's so sad.
I know.
We should try harder to take care of beautiful places like this. Also, humans definitely have an impact regarding global warming. Global warming is especially worse in places like Alaska because of all the snow and glaciers. The environment can change drastically from global warming, and this leaves the organisms to either adapt rapidly or become extinct in this area. Not to mention that humans have a direct impact with deforestation.
Deforestation in Denali? Wow, that's terrible. But at least in Denali, they're making a large effort to protect the park with strict rules and guidelines, like no touching the animals and no littering. So throw your trash away, Lana.
I will.
There's also a team of scientists researching the park and ways to help improve it.
Gosh, I hope Denali remains this beautiful forever. We really learned and saw a lot today. I think we should tell everyone back home to come visit Denali.
Yeah, we think that everyone should go visit Denali National Park because of its amazing geological features, especially Denali itself being the tallest mountain in North America. Not to mention the wildlife is extremely abundant, and you might get the chance to see top predators like a grizzly bear or a wolf. No matter what you choose to explore at Denali, you'll be able to say that you witnessed breathtaking mountains and glaciers right before your eyes. Who knows? You may even want to summit Denali one day. Denali on 3. 1, 2, 3. Denali!
Okay.
ready?
Is it looking at us?
Yes,
Are you sure?
I think.
What are abiotic and biotic factors?
Let me tell you, Lana.
Living organisms.
Well, abiotic is non-living, and biotic is living.
It's God speaking.
Thank you,
God?
God.
Is that you?
Right now we're in Cali at the airport.
Look how
Lana.
nice and sunny it is.
Say hi, I'm at the airport.
Hi, I'm at the airport.
Okay.
Hey guys, we're out here in Denali.
Hey, it's like negative
it's
30
so
degrees.
cold right now. Look at Lana.
It's a bit chilly.
Look, there's snow on her. Brr, brr. It's crazy. Yeah,
there's
totally
what's
moose.
his name?
There's just moose everywhere. It's
Yeah,
crazy,
look
eh?
at all these
Definitely.
mooses.
These meese. Okay, peace out. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Deuces.
Oh, that's
Like
awesome.
Quaker Oats.
Yes. Quaker Oats.
Girls, stop talking.
Hey guys, it's me and Lana. We're out here in Alaska. It's so we just got here in Anchorage, and there's a lot of snow in Caribou. Yeah, it's really
it's
cold.
really cold.
It's really cold.
Super cold. Are you guys cold?
Yeah, are you guys cold? We're in Alaska right now.
Like
Yep.
this, you guys go.
Brr. We're in Alaska right now. Are you cold?
It's freezing, but I'm really warm-blooded, so I rolled up my sleeves.
Yeah, see, we're cold-blooded, so
Yeah,
we're
so
very
we need
cold.
it.
Because we're ectotherms. Is that the word?
Ectotherms?
Endotherms. It's just cold.
I'm
All-
just thermal.
Yeah.
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 But Lana has to wrap up in a sweatshirt.
It's
Maybe
cold
you
out
should get
there.
It's cold.
thermal underwear.
Look, the Northern Lights. Okay. Okay. Any fun facts in your handy dandy plant guidebook?
Not today.
So Lana, tell me about the DTB.
The DTB is the
dwarf torpid bear.
Why are you asking? I don't know anything about that. Denali was the great one, so people thought that it was a better fit than Mount McKinley.
Is Denali in Alaska speech? Alaska speak? Do you speak Alaska when you say Denali? When I said Denali, you said Alaska. Denali. Alaska. Okay. 3. Wait, can you see if we're in frame?
Yeah, you're good.
Okay, thank you.
You wait, both of you like move a little bit to that way.
Okay, wow, thanks so much. Thank you so much. Hey Dad, I'm gonna be a few minutes late. I'm still filming, so I'll probably be home at like 1 or something. Alaska on 3. 1, 2, 3. Alaska.
It's Alaska. It's Denali.
Okay, now.